eat your french fries. Here we go. Not spicy. Oh. The next one, I got Coca-Cola from McDonald's. Why? How is it gonna get cold? It's so sad at the top. My goodness. Why? Oh, why? Big drink for Samuel. Hey. Okay, so you guys are there. Oh, alright. Alright, one left. We have chicken nugget. Look at that. More chicken nugget. Mmm. Alright, that's all for you today. Goodbye, Waffle guys, and see you next time. Bye.